Tesla factory downtime means 30,000 fewer deliveries in Q3 2023. Tesla has just released its Q3 2023 production and delivery report, so the numbers are now in. At 435,059 global deliveries of the Model Y, Model 3, Model S, and Model X combined. Tesla failed to set a new quarterly record and fell below expectations by about 20,000 deliveries. Additionally, deliveries were down by around 30,000 compared to Q2 2023. The previous record was set by Tesla in Q2 2023 at 466,140 cars sold. Turning our attention back to the Q3 2023 results, here's the graphic showing the figures. For Q3 2023, Tesla lists Model 3Y deliveries at 419,074. Meanwhile, the combined Model S and Model X deliveries hit just 15,985. On the production front, the combined figure for production of all Tesla vehicles hit 430,488 in Q3 2023. The breakdown shows that the Model 3Y accounted for 416,800 of the total production figures, leaving the Model S, X at 13,688. Hopefully, this will again lead to another profitable quarter for Tesla. Tesla adds, "In the third quarter, we produced over 430,000 vehicles and delivered over 435,000 vehicles." A sequential decline in volumes was caused by planned downtimes for factory upgrades, as discussed on the most recent earnings call. Our 2023 volume target of around 1.8 million vehicles remains unchanged. Those factory upgrades include a pause at Giga Shanghai to switch over to the new Highland version of the Model 3, as well as some downtime at Giga Texas in preparation for production of the Tesla Cybertruck. Source: reposted and summarized from Eric Loveday at Inside EVS.